Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Noel. Welcome. If you are my new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. I do appreciate. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for clicking in and always watching my videos up to the end. I do appreciate. You don't know what it does mean to me, okay? But I do appreciate. I'm so grateful. I'm so humbled for always having that someone who just wait on their screen for me to just pop in or pop up for them to enjoy. Thank you so much. And if you're here, you haven't subscribed to my channel, it is your time to shine. Make sure you click on that subscribe button, you turn on the notification bell in case new videos get uploaded. You'll be the first person to be notified. And to my returning subscribers, what do I say? Thank you so much. Thank you so much, so much for always clicking in. You mean the world to me, big time. You don't know guys. Today's video, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. Like, I'm going to clean my living room, my small living room. Okay, my small living room. And basically that's for the couches and for the carpet. It's so dusty, but not that dusty because a little bit of there has been rainfall, and at least the dust has subsided. So let me just clean the dust that has accumulated all that long, because it's been a while since I cleaned. Yeah, and it's not thorough, but somehow to just seek that clean and fresh air in the house, okay? And then I'll leave the aeration and everything. So stay tuned, make sure you watch till the end, and yeah, I love you all. Let's get to the video.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon.
Okay, guys, we've come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for those who have watched until here. I do not take you for granted. Thank you so much for supporting me. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe before you leave this video, okay? And in the comment section, what do you think about the video? I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know, comment, and also like, so that the video can get the algorithm for it to be viral, okay? So make sure you do that. Why do you deny me likes, by the way, and comment? Please make sure you leave a little bit of like. It's just like that, a like. And you can just greet me on the comment section, or tell me, did you like the video? How did you like the video? What do you want me to do next? And that will be it. So thank you so much once again for tuning in, and let me see you on my next video. Ciao, au revoir. Me love you all.